All right. I don't have time for this, but I gotta know. Oh. So I finished the most challenging part of the restoration. And as you can see, I have the tubes installed. I'm going to do it with you guys. But I was noticing that one of the transformer mounting brackets looked a bit lifted, and then I noticed that this guy looks a bit lifted. So it looks like this thing was dropped at some point because, of course, the handle is dented. So she took a spill, but no big deal. Let's see if I can power her up. Just turn everything on 0. And this is frightening. Generally, I do things a little bit of a different way. Now, I do have this running through the current limiter, so we're gonna monitor that. Let's make sure she's on. I'll flip her on and we'll check it out. We got a pilot lamp. No immediate short, that's nice. All right, we have a little bit of what is that? A little bit of background hum. I'm a little tingly. That's a little bit of nice microphone and instrument channels. See if you can get a sense for the noise level. And that's cranked up to 10. Nice. Excellent. I bet this old cap on the tone control might be leaking a little bit of DC. If not, I may have to clean this pot out just a little more. I was pretty conservative because it didn't feel that bad to begin with. All right, we will see. What is that going towards the treble side? Let's flip her off. She's still looking nice. We have some exceptionally microphonic tubes. Wow. Look how close the glass envelopes are to each other. That's kissing. Not a very good traveling companion in light of that. But I'm led to believe this amp hasn't been powered up in about 40 years. But once I put that grounded power cord in, yeah, because listen, watch this. Still just a touch of hum there, but totally acceptable for what it is. I mean, these are original tubes, at least the power section. So pretty pumped. Pretty pumped. Should be able to wrap this up tomorrow. And I have a sound sample for you guys. I hope you're doing well. And I still need to find out what's up with this. Let's see, do I have a light? Yeah. I need to find out if, let's see. Looks like Dealin's Music Store on 27 Chapman Street in Greenfield, Massachusetts. Franklin County's musical center, as it turns out. I have to find out about that. Maybe do a little research and find out what became of this place. Very cool. This almost looks branded into the material, huh? Or spray painted, maybe. Very nice. Little rosettes. Very happy. All right, you guys take care.